You'll notice that as you continue to make more videos, inevitably some videos will do better than others. Log onto your Creator Studio and go straight to your analytics. You'll notice the amount of views that you're getting in the last 28 days, including your views, watch time, and subscribers. Next, you want to click on See More. You'll see an option for traffic source. Click on it. Here, you'll be able to see different types of traffic sources, including search, shorts if you're posting those, suggested videos, browse, and external. Click on search. Here, you'll find your top 5 keywords that people are typing to find your videos. Take a really good look at all these keywords and see which ones are relevant to the type of audience that you're trying to attract. Write down your top 5 relevant keywords and be ready because we're about to use them to drive more traffic to your channel. And we're gonna do this in a few ways. First, we're gonna go to the homepage of our YouTube studio. Next, we're gonna click on settings, click on channel, and here is where we're going to put all the top keywords that we're ranking for. Make sure to save it. Click on customization, basic info, and here you want to naturally input the keyword so that it flows in your basic description. Save it and start making more videos around that keyword. You're welcome. Let me know how this works for you. Subscribe if you want to learn more ways to grow your YouTube channel. You can start by watching these videos.